I created a brand new YouTube channel and got over 1,000 subscribers in just 24 hours by re-uploading other people's content without any copyright issues. Sounds too good to be true, right? But it's not. I'm here to show you exactly how I did it step by step so you can do the same. Forget everything you think you know about YouTube growth. This method flips the script and it works like crazy. In my last video, I discussed a fascinating case study of a 17-year-old in India who reached an astonishing 2 million subscribers in just 25 days. How? By creating copy-paste content without running into any copyright issues. Many of you wanted to know if his success was real or just a fluke, so I decided to test it myself by creating a new channel using similar methods. If you haven't seen that video, I highly recommend you watch it. It's packed with insights. For those of you who've been asking about my own results, the wait is over. I promised I'd share everything, and today I'll walk you through every detail. My goal is to help you replicate this success and take your channel to new heights in 2025. Let's make this year the one where we all grow together. And if you enjoy what I'm sharing, consider subscribing to reach more. My mission is to bring you the latest, most creative ideas for content creation, often powered by AI tools, to help you succeed. All right, here's the tea. On December 30th, 2024, late at night, I created a brand new channel. I called it Viral Challenges. Cool name, right? Yeah, well, apparently 10 other people thought so too. So I tweaked it to Viral Challenges and 10JT. Creative genius. Only Indonesians know that. Don't judge. For day one, I scheduled 4 videos to go live. And guess what? The second day, the channel had over 1,000 subscribers, and the views just kept rolling in. Some videos hit 10,000 views in a matter of days. If you're sitting there wondering, what videos did you post? Then you're clearly sleeping on my last video. Go watch it. I explained everything in under 5 minutes. For the first 4 days, I posted 3 videos daily. But I wasn't just throwing stuff at the wall to see what is stuck. I was testing, experimenting, trying to figure out exactly what works so you don't have to. Think of it as me doing the messy trial and error while you get to sit back and reap the benefits. You're welcome. Here's the first lesson. Starting fresh is key. I tested this by uploading one of these videos to an old inactive channel. Guess how many views it got? 1. And I'm pretty sure that was me. But when I uploaded that same video with 2 others to the new channel, boom, 42,000 views in 1 day and over 1,000 subscribers. Moral of the story? If your current channel feels like a ghost town, don't be afraid to start fresh. New channels have way more viral potential. Next up, video length matters. Turns out less is more. Videos longer than 33 seconds? Nope, they didn't perform well. The sweet spot is somewhere between 18 and 30 seconds. Quick, punchy, and straight to the point. That's the secret sauce. Language experiment time. Since I'm in Indonesia, I decided to try some videos in the local language. They did pretty well, but if you're looking to hit a global audience, English might be the better move. Just tailor your content to your viewers. It makes a difference. Now let's talk about timing. After playing around with different upload times, I found that night uploads work best. Morning and afternoon are decent, but avoid uploading before 9 a.m. or after 9 p.m. in your audience's time zone. Stick to the golden hours for maximum impact, especially if you're uploading multiple times a day. And don't sleep on quality. 4K resolution is your best friend. It might seem like a small detail, but trust me, it makes your videos look way more professional and helps them stand out. Finally, SEO is the real MVP. Don't just slap on any random title or description. You need to optimize like a pro. I use VidIQ to find trending keywords and make sure my videos rank on the first page of YouTube search. It's an absolute game changer. If you want me to do a deep dive into SEO, just drop a comment saying SEO and I'll make a whole video about it. All right, my friends, that's the game plan. If you've been sitting on the sidelines, it's time to jump in and make your move. Seriously, you've got this. Thank you for hanging out with me. It means the world. I hope this fired you up and gave you the push you needed to take action. And hey, if you've missed any of my previous videos, do yourself a favor and binge them. They're loaded with golden nuggets that could change your game. This is your time to shine, and I'm here to cheer you on every step of the way. Oh, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for Reach Mora, the place where crazy, game-changing ideas come to life. I'll see you in the next video where we're turning up the heat even more. Let's make magic happen.